Oh, by the Alamo. You're over by the river walks right there, isn't it?
Yep, yep. That's where we actually met
Yep.
when we had the San Antonio meetup.
Yeah, well, I was there when my that's where my son was at boot, so we all went down there.
Was he at Lackland or?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yep,
Yep.
it's where my son graduated from too.
Yep. Yeah, and he was there.
Beautiful.
Yep, and then he did so his was a long stint. It was 5 months, right? So they do boot and then the training that he had to do before he went to Germany. So
Also,
he
he was back to back in the same base for the boot camp and the A school.
correct, yep.
I was just going to ask, do they go to Germany from next? My ex-boyfriend did all that.
Yeah.
From Lake Lackland to Germany. Yeah.
Yep.
My son went right away after boot camp to A school in Goose Creek in South Carolina. This is where he
Goose
is now.
Creek.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, okay.
SHPH. SHPH. Check out the news. Good news.
He closer to well,
I
I'm
don't have
closer
it
to
up.
him than Vinny is. Yeah. He's about 70 miles from me. Goose Creek.
Nice, nice. Callie, IPOs are posted.
There's no IPOs today.
All right, thank you. And you can let the crew know that every day before we go live too, by the way.
She
I
did
did.
today.
Already
She did
did.
every single
Oh,
day.
I got you. Thank you. Great job over there, Callie.
Let me know.
No cigarettes, Callie.
Yes, sir.
Bear Cub. What's up, Bear?
Morning, Coach.
Good morning.
I've been really tracking Google these days. Like it's been my life the last month.
Uh-huh.
It's approaching a really interesting potential double top. It's been ripping today. 201.66 would be the first level to clear, and 202.14. The last couple times that it touched those areas, it had a big nasty rejection, and just wanted to let you and the team know.
Awesome, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. I'm looking at it right now as we speak. Yeah, I can see
he's
this.
he's on it. Like it's perfect what you just said. I have the same levels.
Yeah, I can see
What
it.
was
And
that? 201.66 and 202.14.
That going?
yeah, and 200's
And
gonna
giving you a couple of penny, give or
Pennies,
take.
yeah,
Could be up by a couple.
200's gonna be everything for it though, right? Because of the whole number.
absolutely.
So yep, absolutely. Keep an eye on that today. Yeah, 200's gonna be the big number for that. As long as it stays above that, that will be golden.
Thank you for that.
All right.
Everything is tanking.
Good morning and welcome back. Good to see everybody. Yeah, Apple's down 1.8%. The overall market is to the upside, though. SPY is up right now 0.5%. Crypto pulling back, obviously, because it ran up so much. If you guys were a part of our crypto membership, you had the opportunity to be rich. Congratulations to all American Dream Trading crypto members. Good
I mean, the
job.
inauguration was a huge factor in the market, that's for sure.
Good job. So those of you that were in crypto, your lives were absolutely changed just by being a part of American Dream Trading. Congratulations to all of you. I know I had a good time. I was calling it out. We were making the trades, and I was like, where's everybody at? Everybody was like asleep or something. I called it out. An hour after it was released, I caught it about $5, and we rode it to $70+. So it was what'd they say it was, a 20,000% gain. Opened at 20 cents. Everybody at American Dream Trading had the opportunity to get in that. Nice job. Those of you that fell asleep at the wheel, wake up.
All asleep, Coach.
Yep, wake the hell up. We 10x'd it, which was awesome. Great job, everybody. Who made money on that, by the way? Talk to me. Come on, I know a couple of you are awake. Some of you guys had problems depositing money and stuff, right? Because the way that we had to do it.
I got in.
Thank you.
I'm unfortunately I'm still in it.
Well, if you got in when I said to get in, not unfortunately, still great.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still up.
Yeah, yeah.
It's not a negative trade, so I'm
Yeah,
cool
yeah.
with that.
Right now it's 600%, over 600% since I called it out for us, right? Good job.
I did a shedding technique on it.
Oh, nice. Nice work. Yeah, that was beautiful. Don't forget, speaking of crypto, so you don't miss again, right now, 500 for a year, 1500 lifetime crypto. Sign up today. Other specials going on right now. If you use the discount code 2025, you can take 25% off of any of your first payments of any of our memberships, excluding crypto. You can use that for all of our services, regular, VIP, VIP Gold, mentorship, etc. Make sure you guys take advantage of that. The other thing that we got going on right now, we've got that brand new Diamond membership where you guys can get unlimited everything lifetime, all products and services we have now and in the future. Also, the first 10 people, you're going to get a one-on-one with me. That is a $6,000 value. You guys are also able to break it up into payments. We made it into 4 easy payments. So if you guys are interested in getting every service that we have available today, tomorrow, and in the future, take advantage of it. Speaking of easy payments, right now, if you guys want to get a one-on-one with me, you know I never, and I mean never, open these up. Ever. You can get one right now in 4 easy payments. After the 4th payment is made, it will automatically open up the schedule, and then you can have a one-on-one with me. So if you guys have ever wanted to sit down with me, you have that opportunity right now. Bruno's going to post all the links, all the sales right now inside of the Stock Lounge and 2 other times today so that you guys are easily able to click on those. If you guys need help, just raise your hand. One of my moderators will be standing by. Speaking of moderators, give me 1 second. We have a brand new moderator. Everybody welcome Doug to the team.
Yeah, he was in this morning with us, Coach.
Yep, everybody welcome Doug. Go ahead, open your mics.
Welcome, Doug.
Thank you.
Welcome, Doug.
Thank you.
Doug.
Thank you.
Welcome, Doug.
Doug. Well deserved.
Thank
How do
you.
you do, Doug?
Welcome,
Thank you,
Doug.
everyone.
Hey, Doug.
Welcome, Doug.
Congratulations.
What's up?
Welcome, Doug.
Welcome to the family.
No
Welcome.
pressure.
Where, Doug?
Thank
No
you.
pressure.
Thank you. Thank you. Now, Doug's going to be helping us out quite a bit over in crypto and futures. So we're going to see him quite a bit over in those areas, but mostly you'll see him in crypto. We're, like I said, we're building up that entire crypto area.
Well,
So congratulations to those of you that have already got access. We are building that up constantly. We have tons of training videos. Have you guys seen the training videos we have for crypto, by the way?
I watched them all as soon as they came out.
What do you think, man? We keep adding them. I think we just added another one over the weekend, right? We are
Work in progress.
Thank you. Yeah, we're constantly updating, improving. We're going to be meeting with our strategic analyst this week. I hired an outside source, a third party, to review everything, what we're doing. Is there any areas that we could strengthen on? Is there any areas we could improve on for marketing? He is reviewing everything that we do here. Like I said, 2025, it's going to be all about marketing. Everybody do your part. We almost lost TikTok permanently, which would have been terrible because, as you know, all of you came from TikTok. Everybody in this room, pretty much, which tells me we don't have enough outreach. Thank you for those gifts over there. Speaking of TikTok, Thomas, Jay Heath, Shazam, K2 Clean. I appreciate all of you. So that tells me we all need to do a better job. How many of you this morning posted on Twitter, aka the X, about American Dream Trading? Show of hands. Let me know who posted and tagged me at ADT Coach. Let me know. Go ahead. Let me know who posted because I can see if you did or didn't. Go ahead. Let me know.
I'm going to be sharing the live here in a minute.
Thank you. Right. So just so you guys know, No one has posted yet about American Dream Trading. Nobody, not one single person. So again, in 2025, I need your help. How often do I ask you guys for help? Never, ever,
Yeah.
ever,
100%.
ever. I never ask for your help. Now I ask for your help to help other people. How often have I asked you guys to lift a finger to help us out at American Dream Trading while we're literally sitting here 60 plus hours a week? How often? Right. Let's get to work. We've got a brand new video that was we've got a brand new video that was released. One of the most important videos we've ever released in our lives, by the way. It says stock market scalping secrets for massive gains. 3 comments were posted on it. 3. 237 of you watched that video. And I don't know where the rest of you are. Show of hands. Because right now there's 400 people. That means less than half of you watched the video, and 3 of you left a comment.
I watched it, Coach.
William Woldridge 304 and Bullseye Bears Mia. Where are you at? Well, only 2 comments were left. 2 comments. Where are you? Where are those 2 people at? 2 people. Where are you? Are you in here? And they're not even a part of our group. Nice.
Sorry, what video are we talking about? Because I've
The
watched
latest
about
video that was released, stock market scalping secrets for massive gains. The latest video we just released.
Okay, I don't know. I've seen hundreds over the weekend, so I might have, but I'd have to look.
No worries. All right. Anyways, I was going to give them something. Okay. So 2025, right? You guys are going to do a better job of helping us to market.
And how does it work?
Am I right?
Yeah, we should be all doing that.
Yep. You guys realize I'm on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitch, X, YouTube, and Rumble. You guys all know that, right?
Yeah.
I post to that every one of those every single day. I post to those. Everybody in this room realizes that, yes?
Yep.
All right, so new rule, moderators. Every single day we are going to check for posts, and I want to know who's posting and who isn't. Every single day. Every single day, I want you guys to help us out. I'm not asking for much. We're here all the time. It's not hard. It literally takes me less than 5 seconds to make an X tweet and send it out. Start helping us out. Thank you. I appreciate you. Because I'm telling you right now, this whole red note scare, we can't have that again. We need to build up right now. Right? I'm releasing hundreds of videos a month. We're not getting the traction we need. That's because I need all of you that, by the way, we're literally making hundreds of millions of dollars for. Get your asses out there and start talking about us. We've done $160 million so far. Get your asses up and start talking about us. You understand me? Thank you. I need help. Let's go. No more hiding in the shadows. No more you get to just scurry away. I'm literally making you guys freaking millions of dollars in this room. Let's get to work, ladies and gentlemen. We can't help more people if more people don't know about us. Am I right or wrong?
You're right.
Thank you. Do your part. I'm doing mine.
Right, Coach.
Do yours. We need the help. And I hate to do it because I hate asking for help, but I'm here every day, right? Let's do the things. No, we're not desperate. I just don't like the scare of us losing TikTok. And I want everybody to start working now, right? I got all these goofballs talking trash about us literally every day, right? And they're getting, right, all the negative feedback that they want because they keep using my name on everything. How about we use our name for good and start talking about it? How about we drown out all these goofballs, right? And start talking about American Dream Trading, because nobody does what we do. Nobody has been more successful. Nobody has created more millionaires. Nobody has had as much profits. Nobody, right, is doing what we're doing over here. Yell it from the rooftops. Let everybody in the world know. That's it. Thank you. Appreciate you guys. Yeah. I appreciate it. Listen, it doesn't take much. I know I'm driving the bus like constantly, and I know it's my job, right? Because I'm the president. I'm the owner. He has to do it. There's so many things in here we don't have to do at all, ever. And we do it anyways. I lose money every damn day on most of the stuff that we do in here because it's way over the top, right? It's crazy what we do that nobody else does. And because I think we should be doing it. So seriously, get the word out. What are you waiting for? Why are you guys not using the affiliate accounts? We've only given away like $65,000 in free money off affiliates. We should be giving away millions of dollars in free affiliate cash for you guys. Use the 30% code. Go over there. It says affiliate. What are you waiting for? Come on. Choppy chop. Let's go. Let's get this thing going. I want 2025 to be so ridiculous. By the way, we're in the makings right now watching another one of my moderators. Right? He's now on his path to becoming $1 million trader, which would be absolutely incredible. We've already retired him. Now he's on his path to becoming a millionaire in 2025. This is what we do that no one else has ever done before. Ever. Right? You guys know another one of my moderators, who I won't mention his name because they're starting to hound all of my people now, because we're literally the largest, most profitable organization in America for stock market education. One of my other moderators, over 11 million. Another moderator, 22 million. Another moderator made $1 million last month. This isn't a one and done what we're doing here, right? I've had other moderators make 20 and $30 million in here, never trading before. This isn't a unicorn. That we do this stuff every single day. I need, right, you guys to stay the course. Stop giving up on yourselves, for crying out loud. Stop using real money if you're struggling. You should be paper trading only. We still see that. Still to this day, it's still the same people, still complaining about how they're losing money, but they're still not ready to follow anything I'm saying, right? I have some very basic rules here. Very basic. Stop losses on each and every trade. Don't lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Do not use real money while you are training. Paper trading only. Simulate trading only. I don't know how many times I have to say this to your faces so that you will get this, right? I can keep saying it, but until you guys apply what I'm saying, none of this matters. Use the rules that we have in place, right? Make sure you follow all of the rules, not some, all. Don't trade in the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the day. Even if you're an experienced trader, it's very dangerous, so be careful. If you're a new trader, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Start with Ford or Apple, that I've been saying since I got here. If you're in futures, since I opened it up, right? That's gold and oil. Micros before minis. Shares before options. Moderators, kill that microphone. I don't know why I'm hearing anybody. Come on. I want you guys to start taking this seriously. All of it. Every rule. Every detail. Every day. Journal. Every day. Here at American Dream Trading, we are not financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Listen, we have a following, over 100,000 people follow us. I still want you guys to get the word out, right? We are still one of the largest. I need you to get the word out. Today, I'm going to be watching for you on X, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, TikTok, YouTube, and Rumble. I want to see you everywhere. And Instagram, I want to see you freaking everywhere. All I want to see from all of you is American Dream Trading all the time. That's it. Now, listen, if you don't like the service, don't say anything. But we've got people literally in here that no longer work anymore. We've got people in here that have fully supplemented incomes. We've got people in here that are now retiring their family members, their in-laws. They're paying for like, there's so much going on. Why are you not screaming from the top of the roof about American Dream Trading? Right? Do you want to help other people out?
Yes, coach.
Get out there. I appreciate you guys. I love your face. That was a hell of a scare with the whole TikTok situation. And again, I need you guys to understand this, right? And we've been trying to build this up around it, knowing this is coming. This isn't like, oh, it's brand new. I've been talking about it every day. We've been trying to build up and ramp up and get it going, and more videos and more media marketing team and more and more and more and more and more. Well, that's why I need your guys' help, right? We need to keep pushing. All of you came from TikTok, and we were about to lose that, right? Now I have you here so I can help you when you're here. But what about everybody else that was before they got here? Think about your lives before you got to American Dream Trading. I don't get to help them, right? So let's keep crushing it in 2025. So real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. Thank you to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palmcoast, Ange, Aaron, Richard, Chad, and now Doug. Thank you. I appreciate everybody being here. Thank you to all my military family, as always. Always. Before, it was okay to say it. Now it's okay to say it. But you won't silence me. Thank you to all of my military family. Forever and always. We respect you every day. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force. Thank you so much. 8 years now. Appreciate you. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. Thank you, Rons. I appreciate that. Just like that. How about we get 800 horns going? There's 420 people in this room. Let's go. I want more energy. I want more excitement. 2025 is going to be crazy. Look at the stuff we did in 2024. We did some ridiculously amazing things in 2024. How many people around us did you see that either succeeded, retired, became millionaires, having best days of their lives, right? Getting to throttle back work. Think about what we did in 2024, and here we are again. Here we are. Yeah, fun. I see you. Uber drivers. Yeah, absolutely. And farmers, all of you out there, man, just be careful, especially with the road conditions, right? So listen, keep it up. This is going to be our best year we've ever had. I am going to keep my foot on the gas pedal, full freaking throttle, all the way. I am, just so you know, I'm exhausted. Today was really hard for me to turn the lights on. I worked my butt off. I had all the stress over the weekend. I haven't stopped. I probably put in 30 hours of work this weekend. I had 18 and a half hours the day that TikTok's lights went out, from 10 o'clock that night to the next day, trying to scramble and make sure and do the things. And oh my gosh, like, this has been a very long weekend. But again, I show up. You need to show up. It would have been so easy for me to take today off and be like, you know what? I need a break. Yeah. There's plenty of time to get a break when we're 6 feet under. We got a job to do here, ladies and gentlemen. I got people to save. I got lives that need help. I don't have time for that bull. Beep. I'm sorry, trying to keep it PG. My wife said I've been swearing lately because of the stress levels gone higher, so I'm going to try to control my swearing. If it slips out, don't you guys beat me up. Everybody be cool. All right. Love your faces. You guys know what to do. If you want to buy a membership, go to American Dream Trading. We're not talking about all of it. You guys know where to go. We're here every day. Thank you so much. If you guys are watching over on TikTok, you get to 300 concurrent viewers, giveaway. 50,000 likes, giveaway. YouTube, you get 100 likes over on our YouTube, giveaway. There's no other way I can do it over on YouTube. So during the live, you guys just need to click that like button, okay? Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you for everybody being here. Thank you for all the subscriptions. I appreciate that. Matt, you want a sticker? I got you, brother. I see you. Hold on. Where am I? Where
Love you, Coach.
You know what? I don't have a sticker in front of me, but here's your American Dream Trading coaster. Whoosh.
Bam.
Bam. Ba-da-ba. There you go.
Hey, nice.
There you go. All right. Okay. So the market, we got about 1 minute. Remember, everybody, please follow the rules. Nobody get ridiculous on me. Nobody get crazy. Moderators, let me know when somebody signs up for a diamond or a one-on-one membership or a one-on-one with me. Don't forget, you've got, 10 more days. Anybody that gets a new add-on or a new membership you did not have before in the month of January, one lucky person is going to have the chance to spin the wheel of cash to win up to $10,000 live. So the wheel of cash will be coming out. We have a whole tally of everybody that's getting new memberships this month. It's not renewing. It's a new membership add-on, right? Just something cool. Or new members. If you're a new member, you're automatically entered, right? One lucky person to win up to $10,000. SPY is up 0.5%. Apple is down 2.5%. Everybody, let's rock and roll. Nobody go rogue, please. Thank you. Appreciate you. SPY to the upside right here, right out of the gate. So is Google. We talked about Google, so I had that up on my screen this morning. Google's popping off. Nice, nice. SPY making a nice move to the upside here on SPY. Remember, be patient.
Coach, Google went exactly to the all-time high and dropped from there.
Oh, did it? Okay, thank you.
To the penny.
Yep, Google continuing to climb right here, 202. Google continuing to climb.
Looking at 202.60.
Thank you.
Huge pull on Tesla.
Thank you. Apple still pulling 2-minute EWO to the downside. Apple 2-minute EWO to the downside. Make sure it stays below 224.64. Google new high a day. Google new high a day. Apple continuing to drop. Moderators, Rich Mexa needs help in the stock lounge. Token expired to Zoom, please. Thank you. Moderna, by the way, got a huge boost about working on the flu. So they're up 7.5% today. Riot, small accounts, 6.5% right now. Riot, small accounts, 6.5%. Apple continuing to the downside. SoFi, new high a day. SoFi. Remember when I was telling all you guys that's a $20 stock? We're almost there, baby. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. SPY pulling back. I was waiting for this collection to happen. SPY up here on this big double top. Riot, still 6.5%. SPY, I want to see if it's going to break below the 9 over here.
Oh my God, Tesla.
Is that juicy? To the downside, I assume?
Yeah, I'm not in it yet, Coach.
Yep, all right, thank you.
Google is right at the all-time high. It's right there.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, this slice. Oh, what's going? Do you see the size of that candle, Coach?
I do.
Yeah, I think it's from that motion
do.
that Elon did
Yep,
with
I
his
s-
heart to to
Oh
Darn.
yeah, he gave his
Yeah,
heart
so it's
to
a little
he
hatred.
gave his heart to everybody, so the news picked it
Yep.
up like he was a Nazi. Yeah, I love that.
Yep.
Yeah, good job. Good job, fake news. Clowning again. Same old garbage that we had for 4 years. We're trying to do it again, huh? Nice job.
Let's try to stay to specific call-outs.
Thank-
NVIDIA breaking below VWAP.
Thank you. Yeah, watch your news sources. It's ridiculous out there. Can't trust any of that crap. SPY, double top.
Hashtag peak HSDT is moving up. Sorry, coach.
No, you're fine. SPY up here now on this big double top area. Excuse me. That's a
Google
cup and
behind you.
handle. That's a cup and handle on SPY here. See it?
Google ripping, coach.
Thank you. Tesla continuing to the downside.
Apple is breaking below 223.
Hope I see it.
Trying to.
SPY's in a cup and handle here. Has to break this. What is this? Basically 601. We'll put it.
Meta to the upside above the 9.
Thank you. There goes SPY, cup and full cup and handle. Nice, nice. Apple continuing to drop. SPY broke above that 601. Watch for retest. Apple continuing to drop. 2-minute EWO called out at the open of the bell to the downside. Who's in that trade to the downside?
I'm in it.
Yep.
Thank you.
Minute.
Thank
Get
you.
it, coach.
Yep.
That's a nice trade. Still waiting on SPY here. 601. Q's bouncing off support at 523.90. So 524. Watch the Q's down here.
Coach, hashtag peak HSDT moving up. It's 148 and I'm done for today.
Oh, good job. Green today again, I hope.
Almost $400.
Oh my gosh. Green
And I
every
put
day. Nice job.
3 Tesla puts.
Nice job. Let us know after 10 o'clock if you're still here. Good job.
NVIDIA and Amazon, your high
will.
day.
Thank you. Apple still to the downside. Please tell me you guys are still in that.
Yeah, we're still in it.
Thank you. And you guys are going to use the shedding technique today, right?
Yep.
Because I swear every time I say that, oh man, don't get me going today. I'm trying to put money in your pocket. If you're not gonna listen to me today, I'm coming for you. You will make money today. Her coach is coming for you. I've trained you what to do. Start listening.
Yep.
SPY 601, waiting for the break of 601 on SPY.
Google was not able to hold new high day, went back.
Thank you. Q's.
And a 3-minute chart, nice big wick on Google to the downside.
All right.
Q to the upside.
Thank you. SPY right here. Still can't break the 601. Pulling back. It just keeps fighting this range.
There is a pull in the market, coach.
I see it.
Apple has a 221.75 support from November.
Thank you.
And Tesla is still going down.
Thank you. SPY now below the 21. Fighting. See if that's support. I'm in those short on SPY and ES futures. I'm trading futures right now.
NVIDIA failure at double top.
Thank you. Nice pull right here on SPY and ES futures.
Everything is pulling, coach.
Yeah,
everything.
Yep, it's beautiful. Beautiful. Who got in on that SPY double top with me up here?
I did.
Nice job.
Doing it through Google. Thank you.
Thank you. That's right here. Nice. Good job. Protect the trade. This is ES Futures right here. Nice pull. See if this has got more to come down to the 200. Off the 1 minute. There's SPY's real close. Moving my stop. In case you get a bounce off SPY. See how the SPY's sitting on the 200 right here? So this is a bounce zone, right? Ladies and gentlemen, yes?
Yes.
Thank you. So I move my stop tighter. In case it bounces, collect my money, look for re-entry. There it is. Took my money. $100 trade. Bounced exactly on the 200. If it pulls below the 200, I'll look for another trade on it. Moderators, I heard a mic. That is your cue to jump on it. Watching SPY here now on the 200. This is support. This is support. I'm actually going to long this, and I should have did it a second ago. Oops. Yep, okay. Did I just buy the wrong thing? No, okay, I'm all right. Sitting flat right here. Needs to stay above the 200 to get a bounce. Otherwise, I'll flip the script and go the other way.
Huge pull on Tesla and Microsoft still.
Thank you. Nope, SPY still heavy. Super heavy. You see that?
Oh, yeah.
I see it break here. Watching ES and SPY futures here. See if this will stay below the 200. Oh, there goes. Nice and heavy. There goes the bleed out below the 200. Nice job, everybody. Who's getting paid on that? Still off the double top.
I am.
Thank
Hey,
you.
Google. Thank you, Coach.
Thank you. Nice job. Good job.
Come on, go SPY.
Amazon pulling pretty hard, breaking through the cloud.
Thank you. Trying to move these stops a little bit here. Nice job. Good job on that trade, everybody. Move your stops. Good job.
Tesla's come up to a double at 409.
Thank you. It's doing that weird thing again. Did you guys see me how I can't move my stop?
Yeah.
Damn it.
It's everything still pulling, Coach.
I know it. I see it. It's
47.
just this is a bounce zone over on ES and SPY area. Be careful. There we go. Let it break through and then we'll be golden.
EOLS to the upside.
EOLS to the upside. Okay, thank you. SPY still down here. There it goes. Nice bleeder. Nice, nice. Who's still in that? SPY. Good job.
I am.
Good job.
30% left.
Nice job. Do you guys see how right here I got in again? You can see my positions below the 200. See it? Oh, what a hard bounce off that. I told you that's where it was going to bounce.
Ooh, I got that one.
Yeah, that was gnarly.
It triggered my stop, but took money and run.
Yep, same. I'm going to get out of that trade. Wow. Wow. Didn't I say that was support right there?
Good shout. Good
That was a
shout
quick
on support,
$32.
Yeah, yeah.
And on a 2 minute, it's also the 200. So
Yeah, yeah. So I lost 26 bucks on the trade because my stop wasn't working. So I had to manually do it, and I was just going to have it pull larger if it was going to stay below. But it is what it is. It is what
Google
it is.
doesn't care. It keeps going down.
Nice job. Did I save anybody's butt on that SPY bounce on support?
Sure. It's
I
also,
called it before it bounced.
It's also a second red EW
Good
at the same
job.
time. It's
Good
kind of
job.
weird.
If you
That's good.
guys,
It's making money. Thank you.
yes, if you guys are still in the double top, leave it alone though, right? You guys are still golden for now. This is why I said when you get into a really juicy trade and you're in it and you've got a lot of range and room, let it breathe, right? And then get this bounce right there. Wow. Textbook. 240 over there on TikTok. Thank you all for being here. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys click that like, follow, and share. Share out the love, right? Share the video. Share out that we're live. Thank you. I see everybody over on X. Thank you.
Apple's still tanking.
Thank you.
Seeing significant chop in NVIDIA.
Apple still to the downside. Who's still in Apple? Who listened? Who left it alone? Who is only shedding?
Still in it.
Thank you. For God's
I
sake.
shed half,
Apple.
and I'm in it.
Thank you. Thank
Still in
you.
it, coach.
Thank you.
I'm in Apple.
By the way, Apple, one of the worst days it's ever had in its existence. 4% in the first 14 minutes. That means Apple 2-minute EWO. Zero excuse. I told you exactly when at the frickin' bell. I told you to leave it alone. So if you still can't listen, get out. New rule. If you can't listen, get out right now. I don't want your money. You're not able to listen. You're out. Time for some tough love. You didn't listen?
Love that.
Get out of
Good
here.
rule. That should be number 1 on the rule.
That's it. I keep trying to make you money if you're like, oh, you're never going to believe what I did, even though you told me 12 times today in my face. You were sitting right next to me. You grabbed a hold of my face mask and you said, don't do that. And so what I thought I would do is I thought I would still do that anyways 10 times.
Or what I thought I would do was guess the bottom and buy in
Yeah,
on the way down.
exactly. Yeah. I guessed the bottom 12 times and every
Yeah.
time I was wrong. And
Everything's screaming downside, and you're hoping to catch that one runner.
yeah, that
that's gonna
one
flip.
little reversal moment. Right. They were trying to make 100 and they lost 1,200 doing it, right?
Yep. And then even worse. Well, it broke to the next level. Let me see if I can double down.
Yeah, I'm
and then
gonna
make
add
money
in.
twice
I'm gonna
as fast on the way back up.
I'm gonna dollar cost average into this losing trade. And then you know what would be even better? Oh, it finally went green. I'm out. Right? Like
Yeah.
they go through all the trouble, all the headache, all the pain, and then it goes in their way, it goes in their direction, and then they go, okay, that's it, I'm out.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, you guys just called exactly how I used to trade before I joined ADT.
Absolutely. You're calling it out.
The
Play by
reason
play.
I say that is because I've done the same damn thing.
Yeah, we
I
all
can say
have,
it to a T
guys.
because I've done it
Yes,
before.
I've done
We
it.
all have.
I've done it, right? 33 years. You telling me I haven't done that at least 68 times?
Coach, that was me before I joined ADT.
Yes. Now
Yep.
listen, you might do it again. It's okay. But what
did
I'm
it
trying
last
to get
week.
you to recognize is please don't do it, right? All right, good. SPY. Back here again. Now triple top.
Yep.
Triple top. We called support. So first of all, we called double top, pulled back. We called support. Now we're at triple top. So that was a lot of opportunities to make money, yes?
Yes.
Good.
NVIDIA is the same exact scenario, by the way.
Good job. Good job. Now SPY is to the upside above.
NVIDIA new high.
601. It's glorious. Just watch for breathe backs, right? If you see the market breathe back, SPY's up on resistance here. We'll see. If you look at our 2-minute EWO indicators, you see how high that is up there? That's the resistance. You see it? Be careful.
La résistance.
Yep, just be careful. I mean, it's got wiggle room, right? 20, 30 cents up there. Well, 20 to 40 cents. ES futures flagging on the 2-minute to the upside on our EWO indicators.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
Is this another shed point for Apple?
Yes.
2-minute?
Yep.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Sure.
Yeah,
Just like a 2-minute.
you had 2 of them, here and
Yeah.
here. Yep.
I'm down. I would be at 50-20. I'm up 30%.
Yeah, nice job. Yeah, it's shown you twice, right, for pullback.
And we had the eat the cookie monster in the Apple chat.
Yes.
And then we just had to shave.
Yes. Good job, everybody.
NVIDIA broke double top.
Thank you.
And NVIDIA's on the second green EWO.
Thank you. Good call outs, everybody.
Tesla bounced.
Thank you.
Pretty much everything bounced except at Amazon.
Yeah, now we're, I don't want that. Now we're just waiting on SPY to stay above 601. Remember, it's got room up there. See if it's going to pull back for a retest. Apple right here. You guys see that? That's a critical area for Apple. So here's the thing. If I'm a 2-minute EWO trader, right, I would have shed more the closer we get to VWAP. The reason is because if it breaks VWAP, you know you're out, but I can always add if it pulls back again, right? So it's shed, shed, shed on the way up, pulls back off of VWAP and pulls back down, add, add, add. You see what I mean? There's your retest on SPY 601 with the bounce. See it?
$140.25 is a double top from a few days ago for NVIDIA.
Thank you. SPY 601 support. You can see it riding the 9 now above it.
Coach, Google getting interesting, but I'm waiting for 201.14, which was the pre-market highs. If it breaks that again, back in.
Thank you. Look at Apple pulling back, right? Look at that.
Right on the 9.
Yep, and that's where we can add off of that 21. You see how it respected the 21? And then I would add again when it breaks below the 9, right? Because that means it respected the 21, then the 9, and then we're looking for new low a day or at least test double bottom, right? It's the beauty of it. Little tight range right here. But once it respected this 21, that's an add. I want you to think of it this way. Let me pull this up on the big screen. Somebody let me know if I start to lose my shirt over here while I'm training, because I always forget about this while I'm trying to live trade and train. I want you guys to think about this. If I'm adding here, and then I add here, worst case scenario is I take off here. So this is my total risk. See it? This is my reward. You see the difference? That's why I don't mind even on a 2-minute EWO if I'm adding in this little range. Look at this. What
You're
is
on the
this?
1 minute though, you know that, right?
Yeah, yes. But I'm just showing what I'm talking about. Does that make sense, gang?
Coach, NES is pulling back towards the 9.
Is it? Okay, thank you. Yeah,
I
as
don't
long
want you
as SPY stays above that 9, which is around 601, I'm okay there. But if not, yeah, then I'll have to jump.
SMCI is running new highs.
Thank you. Let's take a peek. Yep, I see it. It's on my radar. Yep, SMCI, 8.5%. Good call out. Moderna, 9.5%. We called that out first thing this morning. SoFi, 5%. DraftKings now 4%. Moderna, remember me telling you this morning they had a big deal? I think it was 400 million for it was swine or some flu. Hopefully I don't trigger any buzzwords. I got to be careful.
IWM New High Tech.
Thank you. Yep, IWM. Up on this, it's on a double top though here. See this, partner? You want to be careful. I was so... Uh-oh, market just dumped and I didn't have my stop over here and just got destroyed.
Oh, it's pulling again.
Yep, look at that. Look, it's more than pulling. Look at what SPY just did.
Oh, that's nice
It's
of it.
double top.
Yeah,
Double
I
bottom,
did
I'm
not
sorry.
have my stop. Yikes. Yikes. That took like 400 damage on that. Coach, where's your stop? Coach, you're out of here. You don't listen? You're out. Coach, you don't listen to the rules? You're out of here.
Timeout.
You're out.
Bounce off of the. Oh, no, it didn't.
And bounce
To
off.
the
Lucky
moon.
I don't have my slap sound effect, Coach.
Yeah, somebody is on the news somewhere.
Gold upward.
Now, whoever called that IWM, remember I just said you're on a double top. Be careful and look at that pullback.
Microsoft new low, by the way.
Thank you.
Tesla.
SPY. SPY double bottom on support here.
Tesla double
Amazon
bottom.
broke his double bottom to new low there.
Thank you.
Small stock, Vate, which is Nate's brother.
Yep.
VA halted
Yep.
to the upside.
Thank you. We called that this morning, remember? In
Yep.
VIP. Good job. Apple,
Coach,
do you guys...
as many times as you saved us, I'm pardoning you.
Thank you. I appreciate you. Look for support right here on SPY. This is the same spot I called last time. Yes.
599.50.
Yeah, yeah, it's close enough. But yeah, I got 599.60 on my screen. Now, did you guys see why I would have added into the downside on Apple on that pull off the 21? And I said now it's going to come down, and then when it breaks and holds below the 9, we're going to retest this double bottom, right?
Yeah.
And I said the risk is tiny, the reward is huge. And there goes your SPY bouncing on the double bottom. And I said right there, support again. Who did I save? Talk to me.
I nailed it.
I didn't go in yet. because I
Thank
was
you. Good job.
careful.
I either saved you or you made millions. I'll take either one.
Loading the buckets.
Yes. Thank you.
You saved me. I didn't do anything stupid.
Thank you. Good job, you guys.
5 minutes of shift change.
Thank you. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. Isn't that crazy? We do so much in such a little amount of time. Am I right?
ASST is running.
Thank you. All right.
ASST is halted to the upside.
Oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, now listen, VIP members, did you have your alarm set still for when it breaks above $1?
Yes, coach.
That's what I'm talking about. VIP members, we had everybody listening, we had alarms set for ASST. We already made money on it this morning, by the way, a ton of money. We had alarms set, anything when it breaks $1. It did it again right here. That's glorious.
Bates unhalted and going up,
Oh, thank you.
pulling back a little bit.
No, it's still running. VATE, small accounts, hammer time. VATE. Looks like
continuing to climb.
Looks like right now, average true range about 35 cents. What's that, Mark?
Take a look at that gold 2-minute EWO.
Gold, bidding gold already.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, the 2-minute EWO is just crazy on gold. Thank you. Thank you. Vate. Oh, okay. Vate has to stay above 860. You guys are on a double top. You guys all see this, right? Everybody's being very careful on Vate at 860. Yes? Talk to me if you hear me. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
I couldn't find my button.
No worries. If you guys are in a trade too, I don't want you to answer, but I need you to hear the sound of my voice. $860 on Vate, your double top. It hit 880. Still, though, this whole thing is that if you guys look at previous, right? So you already know it's resistance. Mark, that's awesome. Is that a reset?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It's a
that's
new day, buddy.
that is awesome. Good for you. Oh my gosh. Mark, I've created a monster. He's loving life. All right. Vate, you're still being careful up here, 860. Apple, back at the 21 again. See it? Came back down. And what do you know? It tested double bottom again, didn't it? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Apple hit double bottom again, didn't it, ladies and gentlemen?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
On hold time for hot stock peak ASST is 10:01:18.
Perfect. Thank you. Good call out.
21 is important on Apple.
Yep, I see it. Yeah, 21 for Apple. It's respecting it. It had a double bottom bounce.
Hey, coach.
Yes, go ahead.
Can you remind like what happens when you see something do a double bottom? Does that mean it's gonna keep
Bounce.
on testing to go down?
No, yeah, so double bottom is like a double top. Typically, when you see a double bottom, it's going to bounce back up to the upside. That's support. So if we're up on a double top, that's resistance. So it's going to hit, pull. If it's on the bottom, it's going to hit the bottom, bounce up. Okay, that's support typically.
Got it.
Yep. So it's just exactly opposite of a double top.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Yep, absolutely. That's why we got to be really cautious when we get to those areas, because what'll happen is, especially to the downside, everybody will give FOMO leading up to that double bottom area. They'll forget that it's a double bottom. They'll load the boat, and then it'll bounce. They'll get out red, and then it'll come back to retest and finally break through. And they'll be like, every time I get in a trade, it goes against me. It's because you're not paying attention to what's going on, right?
Exactly right. Thank you so much.
Yep.
Shift change.
Shift change 50 seconds ago. Good call on that.
If you look at Big 7, most of them are in a critical area. They all buy VWAP or in a double, but the bottom
That's
retest
correct.
is pretty
Shut up.
interesting.
Yep. I agree. Did somebody just yell?
Patience right there. Patience.
I agree.
Oh.
Was somebody yelling?
Can we just get back to the task at
Yeah,
hand?
can we just shut up and just call out stocks?
My money back.
Stop talking
That was
about
me. I'm
trading inside of a trading community.
Trying to learn here.
What?
Can you just tell me when to get out of ILAG?
Oh, by the way, I forgot. I had to kick somebody's ass. Oh, I knew I was gonna swear today. Dang it. I was trying to be very mindful.
Damn it.
I had to kick somebody off the face of
Hit
the
the
planet
jar.
yesterday. I had to kick them off the face of the planet yesterday.
From our group?
Yeah, from our group, unfortunately.
Oh
That
my
is
gosh.
the third
Oh,
member
man.
that I've had to ban publicly, unfortunately. But ASST, new high. ASST, new high a day. ASST, new high a day. Now, this needs to stay above $1.26. If it does, you got green forever, meaning put your stop at about $1.25. Not financial tax or investment advice, just a trading idea. And let it go for how long? Forever.
Sorry, test on your
Hey,
low day
coach.
and it keeps on dropping 407.
Leave it forever.
Take a peek on Tesla. If anybody's in Tesla, tell them printing.
Thank you.
Coach,
Yes, go ahead.
New low.
I'm over 100 today.
Oh my. Oh, off of
Yes.
Tesla?
Tesla and XPX. SPX.
Oh, SPX. There you go.
Yeah.
Good job. $100,000 today for the man who will not be named. Message I got, by the way.
Wow.
Yes.
Good job to one of
So-
our moderators who made over $100,000 today. Good job. ASST. Told you, be careful up this $1.26. Everybody be cool up there, right? That's danger, danger, danger. Danger, Will Robinson.
I'm out.
Danger. Danger. Did anybody, by the way, get in that on the break of $1 again? I was just curious if anybody had the alert and they were like, oh, crap.
Me,
Yes.
1,300 shares.
Oh,
Ooh.
my gosh. Noonie.
Going big now, coach.
Oh, I forgot. Yes. Good job.
Oh, great job.
Yes, coach.
Yes. Oh, my gosh. So proud of you.
And I purchased when it was 97 cents
Oh,
too.
my
It went down
gosh.
to 97.
Noonie, you are
Yeah.
amazing. What a beautiful human being.
Thank you so much because of you.
How many days green is that now, Noonie?
Oh, 3 months and today, which day 21 days.
Do you guys hear that? 3 months, 21 days, green every single day.
I was down.
Sorry, Noonie, go ahead.
Yeah,
Coach,
I
what
was
you-
down in the morning, but it came out
Good
again.
job. Good job.
Coach, what you see in Tesla for me? If you don't mind.
I'm on it, partner. Let me look. Oh, it's still heavy as hell, partner.
Okay.
Yeah, it's still an absolute dumpster fire. So anything really above below 411.60 is everything. 411.60 on that. Let me pay him back too. Hold on. Let me see what we got. Oh, 409.13. That's a big one. You hear me?
409.
Yeah, 409, man. You come anywhere near that thing, everybody be really cautious. 409.
Also 405.72. 405.72.
Yeah. 409,
Guys-
Nate, is a big, big deal on it. If you guys go back and look, it's right here. 2 previous trading days ago, right?
Why is retesting the double bottom, coach?
Gotcha. So anybody that's listening, below 409, awesome for puts. Anything near 409, don't touch it at all. Do you guys hear me?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yes, coach.
Yeah, that's a big one. And if I would not have gone back here, we would not have seen this right there.
Yeah, it's struggling. That's why I asked what's going on because I'm still in it.
Yeah, 409
Hey,
is a
check.
huge deal.
10 days back. 10 days.
Okay. This
Thank you.
is
Somebody
the
called
test
something
right
else in the
here.
background. Go ahead. We've faintly heard you.
Oh, sorry. EONR is a small stock.
I see it. 45%, $1.47. Thank you.
Coach, Google's in the vortex might be your straddle for people.
Oh,
that
let's
do
take a peek. Oh, I like, oh my gosh. You're a genius.
Deal up.
Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it. I love that as a straddle. Absolutely, because you can kill it if you break this 21. So kill the calls at $200.72. Kill the puts when you break 201.50. Not financial tax or investment advice, just a trading idea. Deal? Deal.
But
Thank
if you
you.
do shares like me, what is there anything comparable to that? Or you're just
Well, the
break
problem with that
the
is it
same
starts to get difficult because you have to buy one and the other. So, yeah, it's too hard.
hard to track.
It
Okay,
is.
thank you.
Yeah, because you'd have to buy the inverse plus itself. And you know what I mean? It's just too complicated. Yep.
Got it.
Coach, does SMCI look heavy to you?
Hold on. Oh, it's super heavy. Yeah. Geez, oh, Pete, it's a dumpster fire. Yeah, that's a that thing's just somebody put
I'm
that
in it.
fire out.
Yeah, thank you, Michael Parrish, for calling it out. I'm in
Yeah,
it.
nice job. So same with you. As long as you stay below, I've got it marked right here, 3208. See it? Now you're coming to support right now. So, and I mean right now. You hear the sound of my voice?
I did.
I'd love to see it break
MSTR.
through. I want to see it break through right there, but this is support now at SMCI. The reason that is, ladies and gentlemen, is because if you look right here and right here, which means right here, everybody see it?
I see it.
Okay, good. The reason we need to know it is because this is a bounce zone back up to here, or if it breaks and holds through it, we're coming to the 200 MA, which is here. But this right here, this is that whole caution, right? So when I say this, if you've been in a put since up here, you're just being mindful. If you got in a scalp right here, wrong spot to do it, right? You want to wait till it gets into this area or this area. So this would be long, this would be short, watching for here, but up here, this is all gravy. This is profit, and then, of course, profit again. Makes sense?
Thanks, Coach.
Okay, good. Good job.
Yes, it does.
Yep, good job.
Perfect sense.
Thank you. Now look at SPY real quick. If you guys remember, I told you 599.60 was support on SPY. You guys remember me saying this? I called it here, we called it here, and then it did it again here, right?
We heard you,
Oh,
Coach.
okay, thank
We heard
you.
you.
All right, thank you. Whew, I'm like,
Yes,
man.
sir.
I'm like, I know I'm tired. Maybe I didn't hear it.
You're funny.
Maybe I couldn't hear the crowd.
We just focus with like
I got you.
20.
No. You guys are doing a great job. Keep it up.
Too busy making money.
No,
Coach.
I hear you.
I'm
You guys,
on my
hey,
money.
yeah, you keep it up. You keep those money printers going full blast. Now, Apple right
Google's gonna
here.
burst soon.
Look at Apple. I want you guys to look at this. You see how it touched VWAP and pulled back? 2-minute EWOers. What could be an advanced trade off of a pullback off of VWAP? Advanced trade. There you go.
Add.
That's right. The reason is, and I cannot stress this enough, especially on VWAP, which is the best one to do it on. I want you guys to look. 2-minute EWO masterclass now. If you're in the 2-minute EWO and you were shedding on pullbacks, we would add here. The reason is all of this could be profit. So this is our reward. You already know if it breaks and holds above VWAP, you do what?
Stop
I
out.
put
You get out.
out.
Yeah,
You
get
oh,
out.
sorry. Yeah.
So if that's the case, and I'm buying here, but I get out here, this is my risk. Look at how tiny it is. This is my reward.
But on that one, you have to a very tight stop.
That's
right
it.
above the one.
That's all. Have a good day, Mike. Drop them out.
Sick.
The pool must be open.
Oh, wow.
He really is gone.
He's just gonna come back. He's getting a Diet Coke. You know it.
He's
I
gonna
had
get
to
a Diet Coke
diet, dude. I
button.
had
Coach has left the building. That was in one of your mentorship videos.
It is,
Yeah, that
isn't
should be in
it?
a video, Coach.
Yes, thank you. But
Either
Get a Diet
input
Coke
or
button.
output.
right. But does that make sense?
Look
Does
at Spy
everybody's?
Coach.
I see it. Does this
Apple's pulling.
does this make sense? Why I said it?
Oh, yeah.
Yes, Coach.
Okay, good. I
Sure,
know it's an
absolutely does.
advanced it's an advanced trade, but I don't care because your risk is so freaking tiny, but your reward is massive. Low risk, high reward. Those are A+ setups.
Profited nicely off that. Thanks,
Oh,
Coach.
good job. Nice work. Right?
So then this would be considered a triple bottom on Apple?
Correct. You get an American Dream trading coaster. Where are you?
Who's that?
Who said it? It was
Enrique.
Enrique.
That's
Bam! Right there, Enrique. That's for you, baby.
Hey, look at that coaster.
Yes, that's yours. Okay, you can put your cold Schlitz, malt liquor, whatever you St. Ides, okay? Right there. Milwaukee's best, whatever you got. The good stuff. Right there. American Dream Trading. Good job.
Coach Google was in the same situation. I think.
VWAP are amazing.
That's my new love day.
Nate, how you
Coach,
holding
that
up?
pull on SPY. It's
Gotta support
not
Ronaldo.
your kiss.
Oh yeah, Google, who did the straddle with the 201.50 and the 270 cents, and you killed the calls when it broke 272 cents to the downside? I said it will run back down here to this 200. Who did that? Thank you. Show of hands. Good job. Good job. Looks like we had a battle on Tesla at what number? 409. Isn't that right when I said you watch your booties?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Good
the hunt.
job. Good
And
job.
Coach, just to decompose that, all you did is look backwards for significant
I
spot,
did.
and you also looked at where the 9 was, right? And
Correct.
that's how you figured out that zone.
Yeah, check it out. So if I go back 2 trading does, remember, always go back till you have history. I went back 2 trading days and there was 409.13, which was the low of the day. See it?
Yes, sir.
So I knew it was going to start to create all sorts of havoc. So if you look at it, this has been pulling all day. We got to right at 409 and look at the consolidation. See it?
Yes.
And if you guys remember, I said if you have not gotten into a trade, don't do it now. Wait for the break of what?
409.
There you go. Just like that.
We're listening today.
Oh, good. I like it. Me likey like. Apple triple bottom now. Good job.
So Apple triple bottom.
Yep, right now. Good job. Good job. Who's now listen to me, man. I swear, and I'm gonna turn this off. If you over there in the Apple 2-minute, I swear, if you guys didn't listen, I'm shutting the whole thing down today. Right now.
9.5% total account.
Oh my gosh, that's what I wanted. That's what I wanted to hear. Right? You should all, every one of you, still be in the 2-minute EWO. Did it ever? I need you to listen to me. Did it ever with that last 10%? Because trust me, it would be okay if you had 10%. I wouldn't blame you. It had some pullbacks. Why not? That means your 10%. It never broke through VWAP ever and held. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What's the rule?
Get out at VWAP.
Or what if it never breaks VWAP?
Hold forever.
So you're going to
Hold
see
it.
the collection
That's
date.
right. Hold it forever.
Don't touch that.
Ever. Thank you. Good job. Not financial tax or investment advice. You guys do whatever you want. Thank you. JRG, what's the question? Let me know what the question is. I'll try to help you. I see you over there on TikTok. How do you join? Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Sign up for the free Discord, but I'm going to warn you. This is a warning. If you join our Discord and you don't verify your account by simply following the FAQ, you get an email that says, click here and do this thing. If you do not verify your account, it will kick you off within 12 hours. So we see a lot of people come over. Hey, this is awesome. Wow, look at, oh, crap, I got kicked off. Yeah, read your email. Yes, read your email. Thank you. By the way, we will never friend request you. We will never reach out and direct message you. None of that is us. That's fake accounts from the other side. Good job. Apple, do you guys see the triple bottom bounce? I told you this is the triple bottom bounce. Yes? Before it bounced, by the way.
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. Now, somebody in the room should be like, Coach, that can't be a triple bottom. It never made it to the bottom. right? Because I know you were thinking it when I said it. I know.
15, 20.
That's right. Absolutely. And we started to see that it was consolidating because I called it on this candle, I believe, right there. So it started to consolidate. So it was telling me it found support before it got to previous levels. That's why I told you right here, right now, is triple bottom on Apple. Okay. Okay. Okay, pumpkin. Nice job. None, none.
A newsletter recently came out too that Apple is tapping where it hit in October of last year at the lowest.
Oh, nice. If only we had the greatest news information sent out to you all the time, right, members? Goodness.
Also, the price target was downgraded from 275 to 230 on Apple.
Good job. By the
Jeffries
way,
cut it to 275 cents.
thank you. By the way, one of our moderators just had another 4K day that I already said if you do 4K a day, which he's been doing every single day now, he did 7 last night, 4 this morning. By the way, in the last 24 hours, this moderator has made over $11,000. Right?
Good job.
Isn't that amazing?
Good job.
That's that. How long do we have to do our 9 to 5 jobs to make 11 grand? He's done it in the last 24 hours. Think about how hard it is to make $11,000. Typically for a family of 2 working 40 hours a week on average is going to get maybe $55,000. Just so you know, that's the median average for American households. $55,000 for 2 people working. You're like, Coach, but I make over $55,000. It's across the board. It's not you. Good job to you. Nice work. It's across the board. Family of 2. $55K, right? Think about how much he just made. He made a month's worth, 2 months worth of both of them working 2 months in the last 24 hours. Congratulations. Good job, American Dream Trading. Good job. Good job.
Coach.
Yes, talk to me.
608 today. Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Good job. Way to
I
go.
posted.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Good.
Thank you. Now I'm using Robinhood and E-Trade, 2 accounts.
There you go.
Each one is $8,000.
Good job. Now listen, if you get too big for your own britches, right, and you start to work yourselves into red holes and weird stuff, you got to throttle it back again.
Yeah.
You are the only one that can control your own outcome. I need you to really focus, especially when you make the change, right? Because you went back a little bit bigger versus what you were. So your trading is going to be different, right? But the problem is when we do that, sometimes we get into the, oh, well, I can lose more because I have more. Wrong. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Just because you have a larger account, everybody in the room, doesn't mean you get to lose more, right? It just means you have more collateral, does not mean your losses are larger. Thank you.
You're correct. Thank you, Coach.
You got it. Just trying to keep you
Coach.
mindful because I love your face.
Coach,
We love you more.
Absolutely. Coco, go ahead. I hear you.
you know, I'm in trouble with Nate. So I kept it small today, but listened to you
Good job.
and having them in my head, and I'm up $190.
Good job. You hear that, Nate? That was a tag team right there. You put her
Go
in a
ahead,
trading
Coco.
timeout jail, and she listened, and she
Yes.
succeeded.
And Don.
Coco.
Yes, love.
Hang in there. It's coming.
That's right.
Coach, I'm over 137,000 today.
Oh my gosh. You guys hear that? 137,000 today. Nice job.
Most of that with SPX.
SPX. Yeah, it's a whole new world over there, isn't it, partner?
Yeah, I broke all your rules.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
man.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Did you go
It was pretty-
And
Did
he
you go heavy?
confessed.
You went heavy, I assume?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, okay. That's all right.
Yes.
That's all right. Nice
I
job.
all I'm doing is trading off a SPY. That's it. I ain't
Yes.
even got the SPX thing up.
Yes, yes. Nice job. Now, if you look at that right here, as I was just doing it with Apple, everybody, I need you to pay attention. Look at this. You see this trend line? That is a perfect trend line, okay? For Nate and everybody else, look at this, see this trend line? And if you guys are in Apple, I need you to see the same thing. You see this trend line? You needed to respect those levels, especially over there if you're day trading, right? If you're over here scalping, this is going to be everything. Now, 2-minute EWO, right? You guys are just doing your own thing over there. You're just printing. But I need you to look at this. Look. You can see how perfectly it has respected this trend line, right? This one.
Right.
So if it breaks that, it will be a ginormous pop fast, right? Because people will pour in going, ooh, what do we got? So if you're anywhere near this trend line, everybody's being real cool, right? Okay, good. And if you stay below it, run it forever. Good job. So we treat that, right? Just like you guys always hear me talking about support and resistance. This trend line is resistance, right?
Right.
So you will respect this area. And the more that it gets tightened into here, the more you're going to have, right, a massive pop or a drop. So right now, everybody, right now, look at this. Let me make this one too really huge. You see where these two are lining up? Now, we don't have a lot of runway left. You guys are about to get a massive pop or drop here. You guys, everybody sees this, yes? So
yes, Coach, we see it.
Yep. So if you guys are trading, I need you to be extra cautious right here because it's literally now. How many times have I done this? It's now. So watch your bouteilles right here, right now. It's either going to pop this thing to fight the 200 and VWAP, or it's going to be right here and it's going to try to push for new down here on this double bottom, right? And it's now. Look at this. There's not a lot of room left, is there, inside of that? Now, the other thing to be mindful of, if it does decide to pop and run, be very cautious because it'll come back. Just like anything resistant, come back to test. And then if it takes off, you are bullish, right, all the way back up to VWAP. Right? Here it comes. Look it. We're running out of runway. We're running out of runway. Isn't this another great straddle area, ladies and gentlemen? Right? Because you don't know. We don't know if it's going to pop or drop.
Coach, I'm gonna wait for the pop and then the retest, and then I'm gonna get in it.
I got you. I got you. So if I was running a straddle now, right, my calls would be killed above VWAP. My puts would be killed down here as soon as I broke through this 599.60 area. So down here, right? Does that make sense? So this is the middle of the straddle, this green line. This up here is where I would kill the calls and the puts. So this right here, I kill my put. This right here, I kill my call. All of this is profit. All of this is profit. Make sense?
Makes sense.
If you guys are doing a quick scalp, it's as soon as this breaks the trend line, you guys are going to get a hammer with a tight stop. So I would hammer this to this 200 with a tight stop. So right here,
Coach,
right here, we want to see if we're going to get a, this is it. Is this the moment? It's fighting outside of the trend line. So volume's going to come in. Watch the candle start to flicker. Be careful. I told you, be very careful, right? Watch the candle to start flicker. We're watching for volume. This is a pop or drop. Not cleared yet. Not cleared yet. This is one candle. It just broke through a pullback. Broke through pullback. Oh, yeah. This is everything. This trend line is everything off of this trade. It's everything here. This candle is technically outside of our trend line here. So with this candle, this candle's everything. No more coulda, woulda, shoulda. It's this candle. There it goes. Volume. I'm looking, I want to see this volume indicator down here climb. We're at the 200. Watching for this, see if this will break the 200 now, but volume should be coming in. Watching volume. Let me pull up my time in sales. You see where I hit the 200? Just hit the 200 right here. There should be a little more volume right here. This is weird that it hasn't yet because we're outside of the trend line, but it is definitely bullish off of our trend line, everybody. Yes, there it goes. That's better. There it is. Now that's payday, right? So if you look at it, right, we got in it in here. We're up to VWAP, right? Everybody's like, oh, but that's only, what, 50 cents? That's massive move on SPY or SPX in this short window when we knew where it was going to go and why. That's the difference. That's an A+ setup, right? Now, I want you guys to think about this. You guys were able to trade that off that trend line to the upside when it's been going down this whole time. So you guys were in an upside trade in a downside trend, right?
Yeah, it was looking like a break and hold back above that 599.50 that we were looking at earlier. So once it broke back above the dip down held, I went back, calls, tight stop, still in it.
Good job. Did anybody get in on that trade? You just made a ton of money.
I'm waiting for the breathe back.
Anybody else? Did anybody get in on the break of trend?
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. So you can see this was downside all the way, broke the trend, and now look at this rocket ship. Look at the difference. Media team, go ahead and clip that. Send it everywhere. Our people inside of this room, the 100,000 people that just watched, will make sure we get 1 million views, no less, on that. Good job. Let's get the money train going. Good job, everybody. Nice work. Good job. That's nice.
Apple looks like it's trying to do the same thing, Coach.
Oh, yep, I see it. Yep. You guys, yep, you guys see my trend line I drew on Apple? The same thing. Look.
Oh, Coach, that's too close. I ain't touching that.
Yep, yep. You guys see this Apple trend line that I drew here earlier? See it? Same situation, right?
Look at Tesla.
Yeah, I'm in Tesla. Scalps upside.
Yep,
I'm
nice
loving
job.
this. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, nice job. Remember 409 was everything on that, right?
Yep.
Oh, look at this too. You guys had a beautiful crossover right here. Let me look at the 2 minute. Still hasn't flagged for the 2 minute, but look at this 1 minute. This is nice. That 409 though, man, I told you that was everything for it. Good job. Let's take a look at
Coach,
SPY. Go ahead.
A quick rookie question.
Yep.
Okay, so if I want to do a swing trade, let's say a week out or 2 weeks or whatever, for example, Tesla, and then at the same time I want to scalp it, day trade it. How do you do that? It's not possible, right? You just have to use contracts?
It's always possible. So you will, depending on what you're going to do, is you're either going to buy calls or buy puts a minimum of 90 plus days out. And then you will buy. So if you bought puts to the downside, you can hedge it by buying shares, right? Or you can straddle it, or you can strangle it long. You could also write or do cash secured puts while you're buying shares would be another way, right? So now we're going into spreads. If you had shares, you could buy or you could sell, write the covered calls, use the premiums to buy the puts to protect it more, hedging to the downside. Like you could do a million things. You could do a poor man's covered call. There's so many things you guys could do with it, right?
But you can't buy shares, Coach, and then buy shares, trade shares, right? You'd have to.
No, you can. You just have to use write a different stock price or a different stock symbol. So you buy TS.
Oh,
Yeah.
Smartness.
Yeah,
Thank
yeah.
you.
So
I didn't think about
remember,
that.
yeah, there's always an inverse typically, right, with these big ones. So there's always going to be
Yeah.
one that is following it up and the other one inverse right to the opposite direction. So, yeah. Just like think about this. If you guys owned a ton of Tesla, then you could wrote a covered call. You could have received the premium, and then you could either bought puts or you could have bought TSLAC, TSLQ, which is the inverse of Tesla, meaning you're buying to the upside now, right? So you got one going down, covered call protection, one going up, right? All in the same scenario.
You made my dumb questions sound intelligent. Thanks, Coach.
Yeah. Thank you for making me sound intelligent by just throwing a bunch of
You
stuff
are.
out here while I'm drinking my Diet Mountain Dew, getting this caffeine going. Appreciate you. SPY, still to the upside off of our trend line, fighting at VWAP now. But do you see how that was an A? Look at this. This is an A plus setup versus what else is going on? You see how it broke here? And then we got this nice move up to here. And I want you guys to look at that. If you wouldn't have seen this trend, you would have got into more puts because you would have said, well, it's going down, right? It just keeps going down. And then you would have got rocked, right? That's why we're always paying attention. Always paying attention. If you see, this is why I like looking for patterns, right? When I can see a pattern on my screen, if I can see it, you want to put it on there because most likely you're seeing the right thing. You're seeing something, right? So that's why I always look for patterns.
IWM new high and setting up for a 6-door trade.
Thank you. This is a major level of resistance on SPY here. Can you guys tell me why? Quick.
Is that the 200 on the 2 minute?
Yeah, check this out. So right here,
Red green.
Whole number.
right here, traffic, and now we're running into it again, and we had some here. So that's 1, 2, this is technically 3, 4, jammed up, 5, see the 3 candles, 6, 7. 7 times this has touched this area. Can you guys see it now?
Yep.
Again, if you were trading and you're like, oh, it's going to go to the moon. And I'm like, whoa. We got to pay attention to all this. Everything matters. This all matters. Now, I had a level marked right here. It's 599.92. This is what I said, right? This is what we need to be paying attention to. And by the way, this is what Mark is using. He is mastering, right, support and resistance levels. This is how he's trading the hell out of futures over there, right? This in combination with the L2 is everything. Because remember, the L2 is just support and resistance. That's it, right?
That's right.
That's
right.
all it is. It's literally just showing you, right, in this area, all it is showing you is support and resistance. That's all the L2 is. So that's why I was saying, if you can master these, you're going to be sitting real pretty. All right, 2-minute EWOers. Who's still in Apple 2-minute EWO trade? You should still have 10%, right?
Still in, runners at 33%.
Yes.
I'm in,
Still in.
Coach.
Still in it.
Yes. Good job. Mark, you got your hand up. Sorry, partner. I didn't even see that. Go ahead.
That's all right. I was waiting patiently in line with my hand up, Coach. Thank you. Wilders jumped over top of all of us. Thank you.
Did they? I'm so sorry. Yeah, guys, please
no, not
please
you,
be
not you,
careful.
Coach.
Yeah, please
The
be
other
careful.
people need. Hey, Coach, just some good news that you got going on into your stock lounge. Wolf got his 1-year anniversary. He said the VIP Gold is the best thing that's ever happened to him. So you don't know what you're missing if you don't get in there. Also, we had another member that said he made, and he's a gold member, by the way, also, some sort of theme going on.
Yeah,
he made
gold
in
members.
he made in 7 minutes what he usually gets paid in 4 hours at his 9 to 5 job.
Wow.
Amazing.
Nice job, Issy. I see that. Great job, Wolf. By the way, happy anniversary, Wolf. 1 year with us. I appreciate that. With the VIP gold, that is. Nice job. Nice job. I appreciate you. Said gold is the way. You don't know what you're missing if you don't missing if you follow the rules. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. Mark, by the way, congratulations on your success. Mark is over there training if you guys want. In the futures area every day from noon to 4. He's live every day from 2 to 4 o'clock. You guys will see how he is able to do what he's doing on a daily, consistent basis. Good job. Bruno, did you have your hand up? I saw it pop up.
No, I want you to let Josh go ahead first, and then I'll come back to you.
Yep, absolutely. And while I'm doing that, real quick, Apple, I want you guys to look at this. Now we're on a quad bottom. The more times it touches, the more likely it's to do what?
Breakthrough.
Break it. What's that, John?
That's right. Right? And look at this. This is the 4th time. And this is why, though, I kept telling you guys, make sure you let the runners run. As hard as that is, I understand. But if you've already shed 90% of the trade, that 10% is free anyways. And I told you that 10% can become 50% of your trade, and all you had to do was leave it alone. So it's very small risk at that point, all reward. That's why I told you guys this morning, if you don't listen, we're shutting this thing down. Get the hell out of here. So hopefully you finally listened. Thank you. Josh, go ahead.
Hey, good morning, Coach.
Morning.
So I applied for the video editing position. I have a MacBook Air M2 with all I have is iMovie on it. Is that good enough for video editing?
Oh, yeah, that's more than good enough. Yeah.
Okay.
Just so you, well, I mean, DaVinci, there's all sorts of stuff that's free, but just so you know, I started my YouTube tech channel off of an iPad, and then I moved up to exactly what you're using right now.
Sweet.
Yep.
Yeah,
I
mean, I
trained
did it.
myself on iMovie.
Yep.
It's awesome.
Yep.
I just, crop videos for church. That's
First
the only
half I ever
experience I have.
used.
Yep.
So
Yeah.
I don't know how
Absolutely.
good I'm going to be, but I
Yeah,
want to
yeah.
help out. So
No, that's great. Yeah, if it makes you listen, because I used to have to do all the high school football films and everything for just all sorts of stuff. But I mean, it was back with like Movie Maker and iMovie and Filmora and like all this. I mean, I've been through just hundreds of these old. If you can master one, you can master all of them. Kind of like I tell you guys all the time in here, right? If I can get you to become masters of this chart, I can move you into anything. Futures, crypto, stocks, options, right? They just all have their own flavor, their own rhythm, their own beat of their own drum. They have different timed events and things that are going on. But, right, if I can get you to be able to master inside of this room with the charts, Mark, perfect example, right? If I can get you to master the charts and what we do, you can do it for everything. So if you can master video editing with one, easily across the board, dude. I can anything, Final Cut, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve. I don't care. Put anything in front of me, Descript. I don't give a crap what it is. No problem. Give me 2 minutes. You can do it all.
I think I could help out a lot because I used to edit videos for our music students.
Well, there you go.
To submit to the exam board.
There you go.
And I would have to crop, with music and sound. I'd have to crop it down to the millisecond.
Nope. Yep. I do it all the time. Well, the crazy thing is now you can have the software actually hit the beat and it will change it and put in every single cut. I mean, everything is so AI'd. It's crazy how easy it is.
Okay.
Crazy
I'm excited.
how easy. Oh my gosh. It's crazy ridiculous. What used to take us forever before, we used to have to cut out every pause, every break. If anybody says or or makes a noise, got to cut it out. Can't have any pauses in any sentences or you'll lose the audience. All of these things that I'd have to have 168 cuts in an hour and a half live type of thing. Now I put it into a program. I click the button. It says I've cut it 268 times. Here's your new project, and that's where you start with.
Wow.
It takes like the hours of cut,
Wow.
delete, cut, delete,
Wow.
cut. None of that. It just goes click. Here's your package. Have a great day. And now you go, oh, you want closed captions? Click. Oh, there's the closed captions button. Huh?
Jeez.
Look at Apple. Look at Apple. Broke through. Now, what did I say? And I will repeat it for you. I said, this is a quad bottom. The more times it touches, the more it's going to want to do what? Everybody responded with
Sync.
Breakthrough.
That's
Breakthrough.
and what did it do?
Breakthrough like a
Breakthrough.
weak piece of wood.
Thank you. We'll be here all week. Don't forget to tip your moderators. Bruno, go ahead.
Yeah, media team standby for a timestamp. Coach, can I get a 45-degree head tilt to the ceiling with a confused old man look and a finger point like you're pointing to something? Okay, maybe not like that, but there we go. 10:43:30. Thank you. How about another pose? Just one more. I don't know if that. I mean, maybe that.
Come on.
Yeah.
Come on, hit them all.
Yeah,
Just hit them
there
all.
you
A
go.
little bit higher.
I
A little
tell
bit
you
higher.
what. All right, hold on a second. I'm going to give you every pose for YouTube right now. Ready? Let me make sure it's all
Yeah,
clear.
yeah, yeah,
Ready?
yeah, yeah.
And you don't have to pause it because this is a video. You guys will be able to screenshot.
Yes,
Ready?
sir.
Here's every
Wrong way,
YouTube
though. You're not
pause.
looking at the screens.
Here it is. Ready?
Microphone down. Perfect.
Yeah. Ready? Here it is. Every YouTube thumbnail pause you've ever seen. Done.
This is
Perfect.
funny.
Yeah, everything you did with your left hand, you gotta do with your right.
That's
hand.
right. Did you see me flip it?
Yeah,
We can flip him. We can flip him. We'll have him
Mr.
upside down
Beast.
in no time.
There you
That's
go.
all good.
Well,
Done.
we can't have the ADT logo
What a
backwards.
pro.
Come on.
Yeah, I know it. Good job, everybody. Well, and here's the cool thing too with editing. Now you guys can also, right, because you can grab my shirt and make it every different color you want. So even though it's the same shirt, you can make it green and blue and white. And same thing with the hat. You guys can just change the color. You just click the fill add, click, change color, done, mask it, over, right? Done. What'd he say? Done. Josh, that's from doing YouTube videos for decades.
Yeah, I was like, was that Mr. Beast?
Yep, done. Don't even have to think about it. Look at Apple.
Yeah.
Apple broke through to 220.60 off a quad bottom and then bounced. Good job. Oh, speaking of that, YouTube just paid me. I just literally got a message about YouTube AdSense just paid me. Thanks, man. Yay. See that? You do the thumbnails, you get paid. That's what YouTube was just trying. That was the universe telling me, Coach, do the things and you get paid, right? That's it. Done. Thank you. Nice job.
Hey, Coach, can you look at SOUN? Keeps moving up, new highs.
Absolutely. As soon as you guys see that SPY right here is breaking to the downside because now it's through VWAP, the 9, the 200, and the 21, right? So you guys heard the sound of my voice, yes? Everybody heard me? And everybody's going to... Thanks. Wait for the break below 600. Hammer that thing. Now let me check the sound of music for you. Oh my gosh. What is this thing? What did you do to that? The heck did you do to sound? Goodness gracious. Oh, you're on a double top now. Hey, who said that? Where are you?
I said that. I said that.
You're on a double top now.
Right.
Man. It's like I do this.
Thank you.
Yeah. It's like I do this. Oh, there it goes.
Media team.
You like that?
Another
You like that?
timestamp.
Did you like that? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you did. Put him in a body bag. Good
Coach,
job.
21.5% total count.
Oh
today.
my gosh, that's what I wanted to hear. That's what I wanted to hear. Good job. Good job. Apple, new low a day. Good job. Good job. SPY breaking below 600. Good job. Space, 8.5%. SoFi, new high a day. Good job.
Rocket Lab blasting off.
Good job. DraftKings, new high a day. Triple top. Good job. Good job. Moderna, dog crap. Good job. Tesla still bounced off that 406.30. I told you guys all to be careful at 409. It broke above 409. You guys probably hammered that thing all the way back up to VWAP. You see that it rode all the way back up to VWAP off the break of 409, pulled back off of VWAP right here, bounced down to the 21, broke back up to VWAP right here. Now you got double bottom net, and then it came back up to here, and you guys made the money and did all the things. Good job. Nice work. You guys are geniuses. Space, new high a day. Look at this thing blasting off. Doug, go ahead. You got your hand up.
Coach, I just wanted to tell you that TikTok is on fire this morning. We've got a lot of engagement, and I think you've got, I don't know, from what I've seen it, maybe half a dozen or a dozen new free Discorders.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah,
Bruno will have the numbers for you, I'm sure, but there's a lot of people that are really excited to join.
Oh, thank you guys. I appreciate that. Yeah, you guys are rocking it. We're at 292 viewers, which tells me we probably hit 300, which tells me we're going to do a giveaway before I leave. TikTok. We're going to do a giveaway. You guys want to do a giveaway on TikTok? You don't stop? Tickety talk. You don't stop? Huh? Yeah, type in a 1 if you're over there on TikTok. If you want us to do a giveaway, type
You
in a
only stop
1.
for 6 hours. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, we're at 298 viewers. We're cranking. There it is, 303 viewers. You see how fast that is? Literally, as soon as you guys get engaged, what happens is it starts to feed the algorithm. It's like, hey, something's going on over there. Right? That's beautiful. Thank you, guys. Thank you for clicking share. Thank you for the gifts. All those little things help. Listen, those little roses, they're literally 1 cent. But every time you guys do that little thing, it boosts the algorithm, right? Because TikTok's like, we're going to get paid because this guy's online. So we're going to feed him more people because they'll do more roses for a penny. Nice. We are doing a giveaway for you guys on TikTok. Do not leave. You must be present to win. Stay here for a minute. We're almost there. Bear Cub, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Coach, your buddy Nancy Pelosi bought 194 million. She had to report it. She bought Vistra, VST, Tempest AI, TEM, Google, NVIDIA, Amazon, and Palo Alto.
All right.
194 million last week.
Thank you.
They don't have to report it for like 40 days, I heard.
I thought it was 60, but
It was last week that she made these purchases on January 14th.
Gotcha.
She believes in Trump.
Thank you. But be careful. Watch the buzzwords. I don't want us to get canceled over people.
Sorry.
Yeah. Appreciate you guys. Jackal, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Hey, Coach. So I'm trying to do a covered call 460 expiring this week. When would be the best time to maximize on the premiums?
Which stock?
For Tesla.
And this is a hypothetical, not a real cash account, right? We're talking about a hypothetical. This is a paper trading simulated account, correct?
Paper trading, of course, yeah.
Okay, great. So you would have done that at the open of the bell because now it's really late in the game to be writing a cover call. What is the rule, everybody in the room, for cover calls? We write them on what days?
Write them on up days.
Yep, green days, and we then buy them back on
red days.
Great. So if today was a new day because maybe you got your money back on Friday, over the weekend and it expired, you want to do this right ASAP, as this thing is a sinking ship, right? So right now, if you're talking about now, no. I don't like it, because here's the problem. If tomorrow it bounces back 3%, it's probably going to just cut you off at the knees. It's not going to allow you to make any more money. All you've done is you've hedged it, right? So at this point, if you're like, oh, when should I write a covered call? It's down 3.5. It's been down all day. We want to be thinking about that from the moment the bell rings. What should I be doing with this? And those of you that were sitting on the fence, if Tesla's continuing to pull and we're holding shares, what do we do anyways? Everybody in the room.
We hedge it with puts.
There you go. Right? So if we're watching this thing sink like the Titanic while we're holding shares, we want to be buying puts to hedge against it. And what is my rule? Not financial tax or investment advice, but a good strategy. If we're holding anything long term, what should you be doing with that to protect?
Puts.
There it is. Puts, right? Because on down days like this, we want to be protected. So I like to call it insurance, right? It's hedging, right? But that's what we're doing is we're protecting the long capital by using some of that money. And a lot of that you can do for free by writing the covered calls, receiving the premium, using those for puts. Now you're in a spread, but it's the same type of scenario. I want you guys thinking about hedging everything you have all the time. Okay?
Thanks, Coach.
You got it.
Will be the best, essentially, to wait for a green day to write them.
Yeah, or if it starts to run today, if you're only talking about one, unfortunately, you don't get to do it in pieces. If you had more than one, you could do it throughout the day, right? So say you had 3 in your paper trading account. Well, 3 times throughout the day, you could do different ones because then we're dollar cost averaging. But if you have one, the problem with one of anything is always, it's like, well, when do I do this one? When's the ultimate one? It's kind of hard to tell where the one should be, but if you had 3, you could break it out. If you had 2 even, well, you got 2 cracks at it today, and that would dollar cost average. But we're talking about one of anything. Remember, 1 is the loneliest number.
I don't know if it was mentioned, but Tesla's earnings in 8 days too.
Thank you.
Don't carry those.
Oh, and real quick, and I'll grab you, but I need you to remember this too, and I'm glad you said that. Never, ever, ever, for God's sakes, listen to the sound of my voice. Never write covered calls or cash secured puts into earnings or deliveries, right? Or FOMC. Don't do it. Because if it has great news and good forecast and you capture yourself on the top, the ceiling, you're going to miss all the real money that can be made, right? Or if you're in there like, oh, now I'm going to scoop up these cash secured puts, and then same thing, the news is amazing, right? Well, I guess that's okay, but you understand. You don't want to be doing the things, and that is one of the major things. That is a huge news catalyst. You do not want to do that. Ever. You guys have no idea how many times I did that foolishly, forgetting that there was some sort of major event, cut myself off at the knees with these damn covered calls because I'm like, well, I'm just going to continue to collect my $15 premium forever. Yay, woo, yay. And then it just, and I'm just staring at it like, wow, that's great. And then I got to buy longs, right? I'm buying calls against it to make sure that, oh, and that's going to lead me to phase 2. If you guys end up doing that or something foolish, that day, if you have the ability, and only if you have the ability, right? If you did see great news and it's doing the things, right? You can then go long on that day because you already know you're going to get capped at the ceiling, whichever is your strike price that you wrote the covered calls for. So you already know, go with it. Or you already know if you had shares and you wrote covered calls and the news is terrible and it's tanking, you already know you should be buying puts for that day to help protect the shares that are getting wrecked, because covered calls is only going to protect a very tiny portion of it. The protection is very small. Now, if you've had 6 months of writing covered calls and it's been effective for 6 months, now you probably have a lot of padding because in theory, if you've been collecting the premiums for 6 months, it's actually dollar cost average the amount that your shares costed you, which then is a lower value. So then if it tanks, you don't lose as much, but that's a different story. Nate, go ahead. I heard you.
I'm finished for the day. 140 for the day.
Oh my gosh. Nice job, partner.
630 for the month.
Good job. Good job. Did you guys all hear that?
Yeah.
That's why he's Nate the Great.
Good job. Nice work.
Coach, I think I'm going to replace Tesla with SPX.
You like that, don't you? I told you,
Yes.
she's a runner.
Love it.
Yes.
Love it.
Yes.
Love it.
That's my favorite. That's why I'm always trading
Yeah.
it. That's my jam, right?
Yes. Oh my God, I love it.
Yes. Well, glad to hear it. Good job, buddy. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Same rules, Nate. You just follow the 9 and the L2.
I'm actually just trading off of SPY. So whatever SPY doing, that's what I'm not even looking at the XPX.
Correct.
chart.
I do
I'm
the
just
same.
trading off of SPY.
But
Yep.
yes, everybody, that is what he's doing.
Yep.
So this is what it looks like, and you guys see it when I trade it, right? So I always leave SPY up, right? And I trade off of SPY using and buying my SPX contract. So actually it would look like
Right.
this. Down here would be SPX with my options. Up here would be my SPY. I'm trading everything off of our support, resistance, L2, everything that we do, right? But it looks like this. And then I always leave Apple up because that's sometimes a good indication, right? If I can see something before that's going to happen with SPY. So this is what my screen will look like when I am trading. Now, if I'm going in really large, 100 to 1,000 contracts SPX, I'll go 30 seconds. So it will look like this. This is my move. See this? So if I'm doing a couple 100K trade, this is what it'll look like. You guys see it? Because I want faster information to get to me. SPY doesn't move a ton, but on a 30-second is a really good idea. So you see how much more I can see than a 1 minute?
Right.
Look at this.
Yeah.
I think anything beyond 30 seconds is really tough. I know that Warrior Trader, I think he uses, I don't think he uses a tick, but I think he's on a 10 or a 15 second. But you guys got to remember, too, he's buying 60,000 shares, micro penny stuff at a time. So that's why he's doing it, right? It's just the faster the time frame, the harder the trade is because the more it moves. So you better be thinking really quick, right? Just like the larger the time frame, the less you're concerned with movements, right? The micro movements don't matter. Well, it's just the opposite. If I go really tight in on my time, now my brain is working double time because it's a faster moving chart. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
But this is how I trade it right here. This is exactly what it looks like.
Which I was trying to get out of a short with it, a put.
Yeah.
And before I could get out of it, it added another $1,700 to the profit.
Yeah, just like that, right? It's
That's
so
how fast
fast, isn't it?
Yeah, it's crazy.
That's what I said. When I'm putting larger amounts, it's $1,000 every 3 to 5 seconds, right? It's like,
Yeah.
so yeah. And look at this pullback on SPY right there.
Yeah.
That's nice.
I get caught in my mouth every time I trade it. I mean, my mouth goes completely dry.
It's fast. So if you guys remember, right, when we were getting down to the wire, Jimmy and Brady, this is what they were trading, right? This is how they were able to get, 5.6 million and $1 million days. This is the difference. Now you understand though, right? How fast you can go from 100K a day trader to a 7-figure trader just from this.
Yeah.
Literally all you've changed is to this, right?
Yeah.
So that's the difference.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah.
Nice work.
I appreciate you.
Absolutely. I appreciate you, man. Thank you so much. And by the way, sorry people are abusing stuff. Weirdness.
It's all right. Yeah.
The problem is when we are a public face or people know who we are, we're easy targets for all sorts of things, whether it's solicitation or, just everything. Unfortunately, there's really, how do we hide ourselves from all that? How do we mask all of that? It's crazy. And the bigger and the better we get, the more of a target we all are, unfortunately, which sucks, but we'll do our best, right, to calm it down for sure. Yep. So thank you.
Government cheese.
Government cheese. Yep.
Government cheese.
Yep. Nice job. Appreciate everybody. All right, listen, let's do a giveaway right now. How are we doing over here, YouTube? Or TikTok, I'm sorry. Oh, YouTube, did we get to 100 likes, moderators?
Gotta check because it doesn't give me the likes from
Yeah,
this
I think you
side.
got to refresh it, and it'll grab them.
TikTok, I already got somebody in mind. I've been watching the chat.
Oh, good. Okay.
Thank you, Bruno.
Oh, you're welcome, Matt.
Thank you for
Don't
all
forget
those-
to sign up for your Futures membership.
I am.
Oh yeah, did you win that last night?
No, that was Gilly.
Gilly, what did Gilly win last night?
Gilly got a 30 days mentorship.
What in the hell? Man,
Yeah.
we give away a lot here.
Go Gilly. Go Gilly.
It's your birthday.
And I use the hell out of it. I was binging it.
Gilly got smart. He's like, wait a minute.
That's
You're
awesome.
telling me if I sign up, I get access to the other videos?
Yeah,
He's like,
that's
"Yes, you do."
yeah, that's genius. Man, that's a hell of a giveaway you had last night, Don. That's a $500 cash giveaway. I like the way you guys roll over there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Bruno's like, hey, let's step it up. Mm-hmm.
You guys hear
Gilly
that?
was in the mentorship
Uh-huh.
lounge having some cool conversations about his psychology and changing his mindset.
Yes.
It was really impressive to watch.
I love that. Yeah,
It's kind of nice to vent once in a while. It's accountability.
Yeah, and
Absolutely.
that's one of the
Absolutely.
best rooms for it too, because everybody in there is so extremely laser focused. It's all business in the mentorship area, right? Like I tell all of my mentorees, you guys are the face of American Dream Trading, right? You are working literally with me 1 hour a week. Like you get the most intimate training of anybody that sits here. There is no excuse for my mentorees. That is all business, right? Thank you. Okay, let's do a giveaway. All right, here we go. Over on the TikToks, you don't stops.
Yes, sir.
Let's do, well, since they're watching the stocks and options, let's do a month premium giveaway. And then, Mark, if you're in here, you can do a 1 month crypto giveaway on your show only if they hit whatever your X target is. I don't know what your target is over there. I think you have on average, 30 viewers on YouTube? I don't know what it is on your TikTok, but start to find out what your averages are. Get them to push the envelope to get to the next tier, drive them to get there, and then reward them. Because normally on TikTok, we have about 230 to 240 viewers. That's why I said at 300. See the push? Hint, hint, nudge, nudge, wink, wink. Push, pushy, push. Get them there. That's why we did it. All right, Bruno. I'll let you pick then since you've been watching. Let's give away 1 monthly premium membership to 1 lucky winner. Go ahead.
This person has been a light in the TikTok community. See them every single day. And he's also an Army vet as well.
Oh.
So appreciate your service, Morpheus 2654.
Nice job. Morpheus, we're going to do more than that. More than that. Toot, 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 toot. It's a daily double. You just hit a daily double. Toot, 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 toot. Let's give him a VIP for a month.
Got it.
Done. Thank you for your
Please.
service.
I would have taken him for a member already. He's been in there all the time.
Oh,
He's
appreciate
always
that.
in there.
Appreciate that. Morpheus, thank you for your service, man. We want to make sure we set you up with something real nice. Okay, come on over.
Yeah, been creeping around his profile. See that he's an Army vet. So
Yes, love that. Thank you.
He's
You
a
hear
big
that? We got
Elon.
moderators creeping.
he's a big Elon fan too.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Good job, everybody. So Morpheus, wherever you're at, go to americandreamtrading.com. Sign up for a free Discord, right? That's all you need to do. Literally, just click. Make sure you verify your account. Let us know when you're in. We will verify all of your information. Make sure you guys do me a favor. Tune in every day. Tune in every day. We're here live from 9 to 11 every single day. We're here 3 times a day live, 9 to 11. Then we're here from 2 to 4, and then 5 to, I'll just say 7, just so we have a damn number. We never know however long they do it in the afternoon. We'll just say 5 to 7, but we're here 3 times a day, every day. Make sure if you guys are watching us over on YouTube, you guys click that subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos or when we go live is up. Appreciate that. I think we're almost at 13,000 subscribers over on YouTube. That's awesome. Let's keep that drive alive. Thank you, everybody that's posted over on the X. I appreciate all of you. As a matter of fact, let's honor them now. Give me 1 second. So everyone that's posted over on X, you guys are getting the big screen right now. Hold on. We're going to start watching every day, moderators, to see who is over there consistently and who is not. I would want your guys' help. Get over there. Here it is. There we go. There it is. And move the screen. There we go. All right. Big shout out to Ed Tech, Kyle Johnston, Christineth. That's you, Christina. Joan, thank you. Patience for Pennies. Nathan. And that's it. All right, so let's see how many people. Now, didn't I go on like a 10-minute tangent about that?
I shared the live coach on my page.
Thank you. Now, remember, if you guys don't tag me at ADT Coach, I won't see it, right?
Yeah, bugger.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. That's all right, though, man. I appreciate it. So thank you to 7. Ralph, way to sneak in there. Did you guys saw? Everybody saw you do that live, Ralph. Everybody saw you sneak in at the buzzer beater. Burn. We saw it.
That's what I did earlier when you were on your tangent.
Yeah. Appreciate it. So everybody, again, say something nice about what's going on, right? About what you heard, some of the training you've done. Tag me at ADT Coach. Make sure you guys leave a comment on our videos. Let's take a peek. By the way, if you guys are watching this, we have thousands. Let me repeat that. Thousands of videos to help you. Coach, well, I don't know where to start. Really? Coach, do you guys do any training out there? Are you a reputable business that perhaps has more training than anybody on planet Earth for even their free members? Maybe. Maybe we do. Just maybe. Now, I want you guys to look at these view counts and look how sad this is. What a sad moment. 86, 200, 150. Guys.
This is bullshit, Coach. I want my free back.
Yeah. This is crazy. There should literally be tens of thousands, if not 100,000 views on these, right? So everybody do your part. Thank you to all 7 of you that listened today and tweeted at least out there. So thank you to 7 people out of 100,000 watching today. I appreciate that. Notice I'm still going. Every time you see me scroll the page, this is 16 videos, right? There's four rows. Look at this. We're still going. I want you guys to understand how much free training and education is out here. I want you to understand why when I say we have more free training and education than any stock market trading company in the history of what we do, I'm not exaggerating in any way. You guys all still see this, right? I mean, this is nuts. This is nuts, right? Oh my God. Do you know how much money I spent on this? This is crazy.
Would it be too much, Coach, if I told you I watched them all?
No, it wouldn't. I would love your face. I would love your face for that. But you guys understand, right? What I'm trying to tell you is we have more free training and education than anybody. Get over there. You guys can go to videos. If you go to my playlists, go to the playlists. You can see every one. What is it you're looking for? Scalp, support, basic mechanics, EWO, position sizing, VWAP strategies, entry and exit strategies. And look how many videos are in here. Training and strategies, 49 videos. Do you guys see all this? They're all broken up. 97 videos on how to use the shedding strategies. 109 videos on stock market candle training.
AT University for the win.
Thank you. 155 videos if you wanted to know how to use our indicator strategies. I need you guys to understand how much time, energy, effort, resources have gone into this. And it is so sad when I see, well, there's 12 people that viewed it. Like, what the hell? Get over there. Watch the videos. Click the things. Do the stuff. Clickety, click, clickety, clack, click, click, clack. Thank you. Appreciate you. Love your faces. All right, I'm going to take off. I've had enough. I need more Diet Mountain Dew. I'm not fired up enough. By the way, I was so exhausted this morning. It was the hardest thing in the world for me today to come in here to push this play button. I'm so glad I did. I'm so happy to see the things that you guys are doing. Congratulations. Some of our moderators, as you heard, right? One of our moderators is over $600,000 this month. Another one's over $30,000 this month, right? He just keeps getting better and better and better. You guys are crushing it. I'm so proud of each and every one of you. Stay the course forever. Never give up. If you're struggling, stop using real money. Oh, and by the way, since TikTok is up and we got a couple of single white female haters out there that just can't keep my name out of their mouth because their lives are such garbage, do not, I repeat, don't watch any of the stuff to see what they're saying because you're boosting the algorithm. Don't respond to them. We know they don't understand anything about trading at all, right? Leave them alone. Stay away from them. I don't care at all. Just stay away from them. Listen, the bigger we get, the more haters we're going to get. That's just the nature of the beast. And since we're the largest, we're going to get a lot of hate, right? There's nothing we can do. It's no big deal. And I know you guys are trying to protect me and you're fighting back, and we don't need that, right? Now, I've been a goofball and I've gone off and smoked their souls and made them cry in a little fetal position a couple times. But we just got to stop doing that. All it does is we're just feeding the trolls, right? It doesn't do anything. It boosts their algo, right? So there are 40 people watching them or whatever it is. It helps them out because they're using my good name and my reputation, right? Slandering me constantly. So everybody just leave it alone. Let my attorneys handle that, all right? By the way, haters, if you're watching me, because I've got 2 of you that you're going to be receiving letters. If I hear my name out of your mouth again, I am going to sue you into oblivion. I'm letting you know. I've got 3 attorneys that want to eat your soul. If I hear you again talking about me saying I'm a bad person, saying that I'm fake, saying that American Dream Trading is not real and everything we do is garbage, you are ruining my reputation and my company's, and I will hurt you with cash. You will be broke. Just give me your house now. Keep my name out of your mouth. It was all fun and games until you started the whole personal slander, and I got you both in my sights now. I'm warning you. In my wallet is probably 500 times larger than your wallet. I will win. Stay away from me. Thank you real quick to Bruno, Dom, Miranda, Unhappily Housewife, Eric's Moto, David, Mark, Nate, Palm Coast, Ange, Aaron, Richard, Chad, and Doug. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you to all my military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. I honor and respect you every single day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. Listen, thank you for another amazing day. Moderators, I appreciate you guys. Don't forget, tune in. Show Mark some support this afternoon. Let's get his viewer count going. Let's boost everything up on there, okay? Let's help him out. Then in the aftermarket, everybody get your butts over there. Even if you just pop in to say, hey, what's going on? Click that like button. Show the love and support to Dawn over there, right? Let's start boosting each other up. We boost you up every day. Help us help you. Love your faces. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.
Coach.
See ya.
Love your face, Coach.
Thank you, guys. Great job
work.
today.
Still got
Thank you,
runners in.
Coach, for the opportunity. I really
Apple.
appreciate it.
Yes, thank you,
Lower
Doug.
day.
Thank
Still
you.
in it, Coach.
Oh my gosh, yes, new low a day. Oh my gosh, yes, please. Who's still in Apple?
Coach, what's
Still
your
got
MES?
runners at 57%.
Oh my.
I'm in it.
Your
Oh
favorite
my.
trade right now?
Oh my. Listen, I can't even leave yet because I want to show you guys something. I can't even leave. Good job. You guys see the trend line that I drew on Apple? Look it. You see how it
Who's your
respected it?
daddy?
We're seeing a different
It's
frame.
not on the screen.
It's not showing,
Oh,
Coach.
oh, crap. Oh, my bad. Hold on.
Can't see anything.
Thank you. Right there. Hold on. Let me flip these. Thank you. Okay,
There you
right
go.
here. You see the trend line that it respected? This trend line? Look at that. So
Yeah,
here,
Coach.
here, 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 lights out. Below that 221, right? It's beautiful. Alexis, I didn't even see your hand up. Go ahead. What's up before I head out?
Yeah, hi, Coach. Hi to the whole community. Well, on a lighter note, I just want to tell you guys that you're the best, by far the best training platform that there is out there. And I've done a lot of research. I've shopped around. I am so happy and grateful to find you guys. And to all the haters out there, I don't know what to say to them, but just watch out. But I thank you very much, Coach. Every day what you're doing, it's life changing.
Thank you, man. I appreciate it. Hopefully you didn't have your hand up there long. Sometimes I get on my little rants and I stop looking at little hands and stuff. But thank you. I appreciate you being here. Thank you, guys.
Thank you very much.
Absolutely. Again, I was pooped out today. You guys gave me the strength that I needed to push through. I've got a job to do, man. My job is to help every one of you. My job is not when I have a hard day, I can take a day off. Oh, if I want to relax for it, that ain't my job. Right? That's not my job. My job is to make sure I sit in this seat for all of you. My job is to make sure you guys get the best training and education. My job is regardless if I'm tired or not, I got to get in here and I need to help you guys out, right? That's my job. So appreciate all of you. Thank you guys for giving me the strength and the courage that I needed today to turn on the lights and do all the things and the clickety click clacks. Appreciate you. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I might pop into one of the lives later this afternoon. I was in futures. First I was in crypto this morning. Then I moved to live futures chat. Then I went to VIP. Then I came into here. And then I'll probably pop into futures later and try to sneak in the aftermarket this afternoon. So,
Yay!
hey,
I was listening.
2025, man. We got to drive this thing.
Yay.
We got to drive this thing. If I got to sit in this seat again 20 hours a freaking day like I used to, whatever we got to do, let's turn this thing up. Let's turn this thing up.
25.
Yes. See ya.